Okay, so I want to show you a new fan that I just purchased from Amazon. I was looking at it for a while. It's quite small. It's 22 inches across. I purchased a white ceiling fan. It comes in different combinations. I recently saw black base with walnut blades as well. And I did a lot of reading on this before I purchased it. And for 2024, the people that have reviewed fans have said that this is rated in the top two small fans. So I currently have this only on a 1 setting. It can go up to 6 different settings. And the 1 setting, I have to tell you, is very cool. This is covering an entire family room kitchen area. But also you can see the round LED light there. I'm going to show you. There's 3 different options. There is, and let me turn them on for you. There is the warm LED light. There's the white LED light. And there's a color that's in between. So you have 3 options as to what you can use or what you desire to have. I quite frankly, most of the time, like the bright white light because my house faces the west. And when I get into the afternoon, it gets very dark back here. But it also comes with a remote, and my electrician put it on the wall for me. You know, if you're handy, you could do it yourself. And he commented, he hangs fans every day, that he couldn't believe a fan this small could have 3 LED options and be this powerful. Another really great option on this fan is that it goes in 2 directions. It goes clockwise for the winter and it goes counterclockwise for the summer. So if you want your warm air in the winter to circulate better or the cool air in the summer, you can just push a button on the remote and change that. So I highly recommend this fan.
Hi. Wow. Whoa. Open. Listen. Sammy. Yeah. Yeah. Listen. Listen here.
You could have the light off and the fan still on. You turn on, bright, soft, 3 kinds of light. You could turn off the fan and keep the light. You could reverse.
Yeah.
So the air goes up around the room.